in the fourth on Riola Place in Pensacola. Really strong thunderstorm coming through, and the leading edge of it is right over top of the house. I just love storms. Right on the edge of it coming through. The wind just started to pick up. Just waiting for the rain to start now. Wow. Yeah, you can see the rain down the road starting to come this way. That's so cool. Here it comes. There's that line that just passed over going by. Wow. There's sheets of rain coming in. There goes the neighbor's chair. I'm gonna get inside. Whenever a storm comes through, our dog, Callaway dog, freaks out, and Harley does a very weird thing. She jumps in the bathtub. It's her bomb shelter. Hey, Harley. Hi, baby. It's the weirdest thing, because she hates getting a bath. It's like pulling teeth to get her in there, but when storms come, she's all about sitting in there.